Hey!
He said he wants to eat.
Molly can help. Molly! You're so
Holy crap.
He's like a dinosaur.
Come on, buddy.
Oh!
Oh my god. Oh, we got some hawk. Yeah.
His tail is pretty. How come it's so long, Mom? Come on. Like his dog. Come on, Gus. Because our horses are just up. Come on. Come over here.
Good boy.
Oh my gosh, it's pretty.
He sure is. That's what I was looking for.
Molly! She gets hit in the face. She gets hit in the face. Hurry up. Molly. Go. Get over here. Molly, come on. Come on. Come on. Over here.
Whoa.
Let's go. Easy. Come on. Come on. Let's go. Clap. Come on. Hurry up. Move it along. Come on. Come on. Woo! Ow!
Oh my god. Look at him. Look at the hawk.
Hee. Come on. He's like perfectly round. He's plump, but you're juicy.
Oh my god, the hawks. I can't get over it.
What?
His back legs go very in.
Good boy. Oh, slow down there. Don't fall down. Oh, funky things on my feet.
Whoop.
He looks like an
I
Arabian.
can't believe I've seen this in my dreams.
Oh. Oh.
Awesome.
Whoop.
All right, gotta stop. My dad's there. Oh, dad's there. Woo! Good. They all.
Look, he rides the rail.
All right, next let it just settle.
Picnic table. Where be headed?
I'm getting this on video.
I'm getting as best as I can.
I want you to stop. Actually, I think you probably wouldn't matter without the shades on the front. Woo! Oh my gosh! Now I can see why you're excited about the Hawks. Oh boy! Got some legs on him.
He does.
I'm gonna have to take a nap.
Hi, buddy.
Oh boy! Come on! Just over here for a minute. Just smell the girl. And the rock. That's a rock! See a stallion?
Yeah.
Oh. I'm gonna lay down and roll. Whoa, that just echoed. Whoever can whistle like that. Bill, is that you who's whistling? No. Woo! Hold on. He's like, oh boy, gotta go again. Bye-bye. Whoa, what was that? Oh, that's a bird. I thought that was something that came up a shoe. Come on. He's like, what the heck is that? He's a happy boy. It's a very beautiful horse. Very beautiful. Oh, he's happy. He's like, oh, should I jump over there? Should I not? Should I not? He's a happy horsey.
He hasn't been able to like run around and like he's
I
been on
know.
the trail for like 6 days. It's been probably like 8 days since he's been out.
That isn't right. Well, you didn't want to put him out first when he gets here because he'd be too excited. He'd jump over the fence. I was like, oh, this is home now? Yay. I get fed twice a day. Maybe 3 times if I'm good. I don't get it. Like, Larry, he's a big guy. But he gets like a handful. What do you think? I think he's beautiful. And she doesn't care.
Bye, Bill.
I'll go. Leave him, Bill. It's good to see you.
Go to the hardware store. See you tomorrow.
Okay. See you then. Good luck in your search.
No, Aaron's not here. I'm not allowed in.
Look at he's playing with a ball.
But I won't do a hurricane for Brad.
No, I want him to rest. Let him stay out for a couple minutes.